Welcome back to my channel. Nandito naman tayo ngayon para sa isang bagong video. At ang video na ito ay tungkol sa aking unang YouTube sweldo. If you want to know more about this video, please keep on watching. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang binili ko sa aking unang YouTube sweldo. Tadaan!
Wow!
So, this is an iPad 8 January. So, i-unbox na rin natin siya and also magbibigay lang ako ng initial thoughts about sa Apple product na ito. So, ito yung box niya. Yan. Na-open ko na to guys kasi syempre chinek ko na siya bago ko siya iuwi sa house. So, open lang natin siya. And then, so after ma-open, we have the item. So, kunin lang natin siyang ganyan. So, this is the iPad 8 Gen. So, I chose rose gold. So, before we move on with the actual item, so, tignan natin kung ano yung laman ng box. So, syempre, meron tayong mga paperworks. So, kunin natin siya. And inside, so, paperworks, information about iPad, and then meron tayong 2 stickers na malalaki compared dun sa mga stickers na nasa iPhone. And then, we have this lightning cable, and then we have this power brick. So, again, this is the item, iPad 8. So, what I got is the rose gold color and then 32 gig siya. So, let's go ahead and open. So, let's press the power button para mag-on. So actually guys, na-set up ko na siya nung bago ako umuwi sa house. So dun pa lang sa store kung saan ko siya binili, pina-set up ko na siya kaagad. Para lang just to make sure na everything is working. So, ayan siya. So, this iPad is actually yung entry level sa lahat ng iPad sa Apple. Kasi di ba meron tayong iPad Air, iPad Mini, iPad Pro. So, ito, iPad. So, siya din yung cheapest amongst all of the iPad products, which I think is perfect for online class. So, I'll give you a quick rundown of the technical specifications. So, iPad 8 generation comes in 3 colors. So, there's silver, space gray, and gold. Alright? So, capacity is 32 gig and 128 gig. Then, it comes with Wi-Fi and there's another variant na Wi-Fi plus cellular. Okay? So, in terms of the display, it's Retina display, 10.2-inch LED backlight multi-touch display with IPS technology. It has fingerprint-resistant oleophobic coating and also supports Apple Pencil first generation. So, in terms of the chip, it's A12 Bionic chip with 64-bit architecture, neural engine. Camera is 8 megapixel, and then for the SIM card, it uses, for those na merong cellular capability, it uses nano SIM and eSIM. And then it has the latest operating system, which is iPad OS 14. So, binili ko to kasi there are times na nag-i-edit din ako ng mga videos through phone. So, I think it's so much easier kung i-edit ko siya with a big screen. Kasi minsan, most of the time, mabigat kasi talaga yung MacBook Pro. So, pwede na dito sa iPad. Pwede na dito sa iPad yung mga simple editing lang. I really can't give you so much comparison with other iPad. Kasi, this is my first iPad. So, hindi talaga ako bumibili like before ng mga iPad. It's always mga phone. Pero siguro you are wondering kung bakit someone who's watching this na meron ka ng iPad before, like yung iPad 7, maybe you're wondering bakit siya naging latest pero wala naman siyang pinagbago in terms of the physical appearance of the item. So, I did a little bit of research around that and I found out na yes, totoo naman, wala naman talaga siyang pinagkaiba doon sa iPad 7. So, same physical appearance, even the camera, it's still the same. It also has this, so, meron pa rin siya nitong 3.5mm audio jack. So, kahit na ito yung pinakabagong version ng iPad. So, even though wala siyang pinagkaiba physically from iPad 7, this iPad 8 Gen, it's using a 12 Bionic chip as opposed to, so as compared to iPad 7 who's using an A10 Fusion 4th generation chip. And so I think if you are someone who's using iOS or who loves using Apple products as well, I think this is a good opportunity to buy something na latest from Apple but it's cheap. So pakita ko na din sa inyo tong smart keyboard na binili ko. So ayan siya. Yan, ganyan yung itsura niya pagka nakasarado pa. Then pag inopen mong ganyan, ayan siya, yung keyboard. So, ganito siya inaayos pag ilalagay mo na yung, yan, ganyan siya inaayos pag ilalagay mo na yung iPad. Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa part ng aking video kung saan tayo ay mag-shoutout. So, shoutout to my Filipina beauty sisters. A few weeks back, nagkaroon kami ng mini Christmas party and that's also the first time na nakita ko sila. Meron pang mga videos na lalabas about it, so just wait for that particular video. And also, shout out to Bags for All PH. So, very timely ito if you want something na ibibigay as gift to your friends, to your mom, ganyan sa mga girlfriends nyo, and also kahit sa mga boyfriends nyo, guy friends nyo, go ahead and visit their Facebook page. Ito yung isa sa mga latest na nabili ko sa kanila. So, this is a Christian Dior pamalengke bag look. So, very nice. Kasyang-kasya ang aking iPad dito. So, ganyan. Ito sa inyo. So, pag ganyan siya. So, if you want to get this bag, same as mine, then, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and contact Bags for All PH. And we've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, kindly share it to your friends, to your family members, at sa lahat-lahat na pwede nyo mapag-sharean ng video kong ito. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. But if you love this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!